Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing the 21st relationship with compatible partners worksheet. As you can see, downloads in the description box. You can download this Excel worksheet and take it preferably with your partners, boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife, whatever, right? What are you trying to achieve in this one? So there are first 30 questions which cover a broad range of sort of things you would do with your partner and what are your life goals. Okay, so there are 30 questions you have to answer. There are about 6 choices in each question. To forget about these values, they are totaled over here. This is following the Myers-Briggs model. You can answer here in this column, that particular column H, as yes. No is not an answer. Yes, just a yes, whichever is applicable. You can choose maximum 2, although I prefer 1 because that will give you the most narrow result for you. So what are we trying to do here? Let's just quickly run through some questions so you will know what this is and how this differs from the previous one, the 19th one, and also the next one coming after this. So how do you prefer to spend your free time with a partner? That's the first question. It will give you the Myers-Briggs inclination of what you are trying to achieve or what your preferred choice is. What type of music experience do you enjoy with your partner? See, everywhere there is the word partner here. That's what's differing. It's one thing to do something and enjoy things by yourself. But when you're talking about a partner, when you're in a relationship, when you're dating, you would obviously like to know what the partner prefers. Yes, unless you're extremely narcissistic, in which case this worksheet isn't for you. How do you discuss future goals with your partner? Do you discuss at all? How do you prefer to plan a trip with your partner? What kind of a lifestyle do you envision sharing with your partner? How do you prefer to express romance with your partner? How do you support each other's personal growth? This is one thing which people don't consider at all. People are constantly growing in life through age. Everyone is. Doesn't matter what you do. How do you decide on a new hobby or to try together? What do you decide on among these choices? 6 choices. How do you enjoy music? How do you and your partner handle a long-term planning? Most people don't even know about such things, right? When they get into, especially youngsters, 18 to 30 group. They just want to get into bed with someone and think your love is all some mushy thing. There's no realistic grounding here, right? How do you prefer handling networking in your professional life, which is ignored during dating? What type of hobby would you prefer to engage during weekends? You're getting to essentially know your partner, right? How do you prefer to manage your home and family life? How do you approach career development? How do you prefer to build and maintain a relationship? Not just you with your partner, maybe with the social circles. How do you prefer to manage your finances? How do you prefer to engage with your community? So this is really useful, although there are 30. These 30 will give you the broad range of how you as a human being deal with your partner, discuss with your partner, engage with your partner. And what you not only, it's not in terms of what you bring to the table, like, many channels I've seen put in those kind of terms. There's nothing to bring to the table here. Each individual is unique, as astrology tells us. There's no 2 individuals who are the same type. You can put them into a box of these psychological models. Nevertheless, they are still unique. So you need to understand one another, where they come from. And this Myers-Briggs type model, the planetary combinations are the same as the very first one, the basic Myers-Briggs, nothing different there. But here, you might find a different version. For example, this test case is E. You can see there E is 15%, E, N, T, P. So in terms of compatible partners, the same individual is ENTP, but they might be INTJ in terms of the previous one, right? Your emotional intelligence. This is why I have made distinct worksheets for each one. Of course, there are 16 different worksheets which will give you your compatible partners as a result, even if you are ESTP. What was it here? Let's just have a look at it. What was it? ENTP. Where is ENTP here? There you go. So ENTP is an analyst who is compatible with architect or an advocate type personality. So these are the values which are compatible according to the Myers-Briggs model. Yeah. Take this, download this, test it out for yourself, and then come to the planetary part. Don't worry so much about the planetary part for now. This we already discussed in the Myers-Briggs basic test. If you don't know what that is, you can download in the same description box. Download link. And here we come to know the compatible partners on a more everyday level. First, you need to know the psychological level. Then we go to the astrological level, which is more refinement. Okay? That's the way this whole system works. And towards the end of this whole series, you shall see how this ties in. Yeah? Take care. Be safe.